National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Jim Hart County in Deep South Texas, east central Zapata County in Deep South Texas, northern Starr County in Deep South Texas, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near the Bois and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include the Bois, Agua Nueva, El Sas, Guerra, Santa Catarina, Longoria, and Diamond Ranch Airport. A tornado watch remains in effect for the area. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for portions of Deep South Texas.